Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So I'm here with my son Drew today, and we're gonna walk you through how to make an inexpensive $5 Walmart mask look really cool for this year's haunted house. And if you're a new friend and you didn't know, Halloween is our favorite time of the year. We love it so much that we've actually built a big haunted house, and most of the haunted house we built ourselves and have a bunch of DIYs inside. So stick around till the end and I'll show you some pictures from last year's haunted house. We're going to start by taking our Halloween mask and giving it a little haircut. I take a pair of scissors and then I just start removing any elastic and fabric away from the plastic mask. And this is what you'll end up with. Perfect. I also inspect the fabric to see if I can keep any of it for future projects, like the elastic and the creepy cloth. Now it's time to paint with our base color. Because all of our masks are going to be transformed into old looking clown masks, we went with more of an off-white color for the base of the mask. And we used dark titanium white by Master's Touch. It's just an acrylic paint. We didn't want to go with pure white like most clown faces have pure white because our masks are supposed to be old and scary, so we went with an off-white color. And throughout our project we're going to stick with using the acrylic paints by Master's Touch. My son looked up about 5 different scary clown faces on the internet that we're going to use as a reference. So I just go to the computer and then I take a pencil and I just start marking out where I should be painting the colors for the clown face. Then we use our acrylic paints to start painting on the faces. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Ready? Let's do an outro. Oh shit, I forgot my glove hand. I forgot my French glove. Well guys, oops. I think you could smell your breath.